Friends, I am delighted to address all of you on the occasion of Teachers' Day. India has been observing Teachers' Day or Guru Divas since 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of independent India and the second President of India. As a teacher and philosopher, he has inspired generations of Indians in India and abroad. In India, the tradition of teaching and learning has civilizational roots. In our culture, a teacher is a person who shows the right path so that the student reaches his goals and realizes his dreams. In a broader sense, he is the person who leads the student from darkness to the light. Many of our ancient texts have fascinating stories around teachers, students, and teachings. Since the Indian tradition over centuries had a vital component of Shruti or learning by listening, the role of a teacher becomes even more critical, and therefore the mention of Dronacharya in Mahabharata, Vishwamitra in Ramayana, and the institution of Gurukul. Many exciting stories around the attributes of teachers and learning have been narrated in various ancient Indian texts. One such that I read as a young boy is that of Avadhuta, described in the Bhagavad of Jagannath Das, famous in my home state of Odisha. The gist of the story goes like this. Ascetic Avadhuta told the king Yadu that he had 24 gurus or teachers, and some of them are objects of nature, such as the ocean, the sky, and the tree. Animates like the bees, the python, dove, and others are ordinary human beings. King Yadu asked what he learned from them, and Avadhuta explains that from the sea he learned detachment to gain and loss. Since the ocean never swells either during rain, when rivers bring more water, or dry up during summer, when rivers dry up. From the tree, he learned the act of giving without any discrimination, since it offers flowers, fruits, and seeds to whoever wants it. From a python, he learned how to be content with whatever comes one's way, since the python consumes whatever it gets and starves if it gets nothing. In a sense, the story broadens the very idea of a teacher and expanded the attributes of a student. In an interconnected digital world, the process and mode of learning have changed, but the essence remains the same: quest for skills, knowledge, and pursuit for knowing oneself. I hope today we will reflect on our roles as teachers and students and take a pledge to strive for excellence, which will be a befitting tribute to the spirit that Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan embodied. Thank you and Jai Hind.